Hello explorers, welcome to today's video. This is Editor One just jumping in here. While in Zanzibar we did a 3-in-1 day trip, but after reviewing all the footage we realized that it won't be possible to fit all of that in just a 10-minute video, and you won't be able to get all the detail of what we experienced. So we decided to split it into 3 videos, so let's jump back in time and take you to the Hakuna Matata Spice Farm.
So maybe, have you ever seen before these kind of plants?
No, I have
No?
not.
Okay, let me just help you here. So here, my friends, we just have vanilla plants. Okay? We have vanilla plants. And vanilla plants are vine plants. Okay, which need support from another tree in order to grow well.
Okay.
So without support, actually they can just fall down. They can't grow well. Okay, so this is a plant and the trees that you see are the support.
Okay.
Okay, so they always start with the yellow flowers and we just have to pollinate them. After pollinating, they can just be green beans. When they are going to mature, they can be yellow once again. Can you remember? They are starting with the yellow flowers.
Yeah.
We pollinate, they can be green beans. Then when they are going to mature, can be yellow once again, right? And when they are yellow once again, we can just harvest them. We can put them inside or in shady place, just at least for 2 weeks in order to be black, smooth, smellness, and good to use. Because other people don't know how to prepare vanilla well after harvesting. They just put them to the sun. So when you dry vanilla to the sun, it can be brown and to break small pieces that are not good to use. Okay, so put them inside or in shady place. They can be very, very good and you can use them. Okay. So vanilla you can easily use for cookies like a cakes, chocolate, ice cream, like that. And the beans they have there, you see there? It's black and green or a bit yellow, you see there? Two beans.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, so they can use them when they are black.
You see?
Yeah.
Other people can just use essence. You know essence? Vanilla essence.
Yeah, the
Other,
liquid.
yes, other can just use a stick like that. Just depend on the choice. And this for the first time, according to the process, they can just take 3 years.
Yo.
Yes.
3 years.
So this is a flower
No, this is a beans. Now it's not a flower.
of the bean. Yeah,
Yeah.
the bean, the fruit, like.
Yes, of course. This is that
Okay.
one.
Yeah.
It's found from there.
Yeah.
Yes.
It smells
You
very
can put
nice.
it. Nice?
Oh, very nice.
Yes, of course. Very nice. Okay? So remember, vine plants.
Vine.
Yes, vine plants. I mean the plants which need support can
Yeah.
grow from another tree.
And they can't grow on the ground. No.
Ah, no. They can't be good. They can't. Always vanilla grow like this.
Yeah.
They take you to a variety of spices that is grown there and show you what it looks like in its natural form, and then also explain to you what it can be used for. Here's just a few of the ones we went past. Along the way, they make all kinds of memorabilia for you out of plants and flowers to take with you when you leave. And then we were asked to sit down so that one of the locals can show us how to climb a coconut tree and retrieve some coconuts. And then they also sing you this amazing song that's like a national anthem theme song that they have there. We heard it in quite a few places on the island. It was super cool.
Oh yeah. Woo. Hello. Hello. Jambo, Jambo.
Jambo!
Jambo!
Welcome Zanzibar. Welcome Zanzibar. Zanzibar, Hakuna
Matata!
Asante sana. Squash banana. Don't say hapana. Never smoking marijuana. Oh, like sweetie banana. Oh yeah. Woo! Hatiana se Martin. Hello again. Hello.
Hello!
Hello again, Hinaten. Yeah, to Zanzibar. Yeah, to Zanzibar. Hakuna Matata. Oh, Hati butterfly way. Woohoo! Hati butterfly way. Butterfly anasema tena hana ondoka. Oh,
Oh, yeah, no.
woohoo! Oi! Oi! Woo!
Oh my word, no.
Hadi kumekucha bwana we. Hadi na makucha yake. Woohoo! Oi! Welcome to Zanzibar, Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Oh, no problem. Jambo!
Jambo!
Hey, Jambo!
Woo!
Hey, Jambo, bwana! Habari gani? Nzuri sana. Haya! Hati wageni. Mwakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata, nchi yenye upendo, hakuna matata. Mwakaribishwa wageni, hakuna
Matata!
matata.
Ah, well done!
Okay, thank you very much. Asante sana.
Asante sana!
You can try or maybe tomorrow.
Huh?
You can try.
No, 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 no.
Maybe tomorrow.
No, 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 no.
Maybe tomorrow.
No, 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 no.
Karibu sana.
Ah.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna Matata!
Yeah. My friend, where is this? Where is this?
Oh, very good, very
Oh,
delicious.
sorry. Very good, yeah?
Very, very good.
Okay, so welcome.